come around to the clutch side of the shade and remove the end cap. Remove the clutch assembly with a Phillips head #2 driver. Slowly rock it off while holding on to the silhouette fabric. And you can see I'm wrapping my fingers here around the shade so that I can hold that shade in place. I can pull the clutch out so far and it disengages. I'm disengaging from the front of the headrail here, but I'm also disengaging from the fabric roll. Cord loops coming in will always have a cord tensioner on them. Make sure my cord tensioner here isn't going to interfere with me installing the cord loop in any way, so I'm going to put it at the farthest point away from the end of the cord loop. Take the cord loop and stick it through this guard here. This guards the fabric from the cord loop running against it, and I'm going to wrap it around the clutch. This won't turn. It's held by the clutch. Take that cord and use it to drive that cord all the way around the clutch. As I was pulling it around here, it took up that cord on the other side. So we want to be careful to not turn it too fast and get that cord stuck into the other side. Once it's in there, it's going to turn very easily. Got our cord loop on here. We're ready to go ahead and return the clutch back into the shade. We're going to start by lining up the front features, getting that end cap into the interior. Go ahead and slide that end cap on. Return the screw into place here. Get that screw in there. Return the aesthetic end cap into place. Rock it around the backside, and it gives us that nice positive click sound. Test the shade. Once the shade's been checked for proper operation, we want to go ahead and take the cord tensioner and put it in a location so the shade can't be lowered in any way. And that's taking a look at how to repair the clutch and cord loop on a Silhouette or Nantucket with EasyRise.